Hello folks, welcome back to the Speed Shack. It's been an age since we've done a video, give or take 2 years. Unfortunately, life just gets in the way of all good plans, so the project has been slow. It's not stopped, we've still been plodding on, but it's been much of the same, lots and lots of welding, and I was bored of filming welding for you, so I didn't bother. We're now at a stage where lots of the work is done. The underside is ready for seam sealing and all that kind of good jazz, but today's video is camber and toe adjustment on the rear subframe, because this thing's going to be low, and when E30s are low, they have a lot of negative camber and tend to kill tyres. This kit is from RestoFab. It was about 75 quid or so on eBay, and it looks pretty well made. So let's have a look, I'll show you what we're dealing with. Right, this is the kit that we've got. You see these are eccentric bolts. You have another end on them, it's keyed so it can only go on one way. It's a nice touch. And we've got the plates that those eccentric bolts will sit in and allow you to change the camber and toe. So you've got to make sure you get these the right way around. Obviously, if you want to change camber, they need to be vertical. Change the toe, they want to be horizontal. And on these, I think the outer is for the toe adjustment, inner becomes the camber adjustment. So for the inner, we'll have these plates sat with the slot vertical. On the outer, we'll have them sat horizontal, front to back. And all we need to do is we'll give this a little tickle with the grinder to get the paint off it, because like a total knob, I've painted it before doing any of this. And then we'll get it fitted up and welded on. Shouldn't take long. It's a nice kit. All zinc plated. Nice little TIG welds on them. Sweet. Let's get it on. That was a close call. Flipping the disc over in the grinder to allow me to get down there. Obviously it runs the disc the wrong way around, so it can bite in, and that's precisely what it did and blew all the pad off. That's why it's important to wear your safety goggles and shit, because that came keen. Right, back to it.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God.
Right, you can see they are fully welded up now, inside and out. They are all aligned. Spent a bit of time checking and double checking the alignment on them because I had screwed up at first and I had to cut one off and redo it. But they are now ready for the holes to be elongated in the centre, and all we'll do is get the die grinder on those and open them up. Right, best thing to hog these out with is a die grinder. This one's obviously air powered and has got a nice sharp carbide burr in it. If you haven't got one of these, you're going to be at it for a while with a file or a Dremel or something similar to that, but thankfully we've got the right tools for the job. We'll see how quickly we can make a mess of this.
I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back.
And that, folks, is it done. We've got some lovely slots ground all the way through. These outer portions act lovely as a bit of a template to go at. Just be careful you don't hog them out with the die grinder, it's easily done. We've got a shit ton of swarf and a lot of cleaning up to do. The only job left to do on this rear subframe, which I'm not going to show you because it's boring as hell, is bunging a bit of black paint on it, ready to rock and roll for reassembly. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, folks. It's been a long time coming, but hopefully these videos will come thick and fast now that we're onto the reassembly of the car. Thank you very much once again. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, folks. Ta-da.